Good morning, guys. It's Tammy, and for today's Foodie Friday, I'm going to make a slow cooker honey chicken that I got from the Passionate Penny Pincher. If you look for her Croctober, this was from one of those menu plans that she puts out. And if you don't know who I'm talking about, she does a really cool, she's very frugal and she does some really neat videos. So she makes enough for a big family, and you know, there's only me and Dennis and Alex here today. So I'm just going to put some frozen chicken breast in the crock pot, and this looks like about one big and two small chicken breasts. I'm just using some frozen that I've gotten at Kroger. I have ordered some from Zycon, but I haven't gotten it yet. I don't remember when it comes in, but I will be sure to let you guys know. But it's just frozen, boneless, skinless chicken. So I put that in. And then I'm going to like shorten or like make the recipe a little bit my own. So it does take honey, and it says a cup of honey, but I'm probably just going to put in, oh goodness, I don't know, maybe a half a cup. And I am totally just eyeballing this. And I'm just kind of covering the chicken. And I know you guys can't see this. It would be nice if I could do something where you guys could see a little better inside my pot. Let me check on the lights too. That may be better. I have a bowl. I can maybe use that. Is that better? I want you guys to be able to see a little bit about what I'm doing here. I think that that might work. Okay, so I have the honey on top of the chicken. And then it says a half a cup of low sodium soy sauce. And I do have some low sodium soy sauce. So if she used a half a cup, I'm kind of having the recipe, so maybe a quarter of a cup. And I didn't know that I'd have enough, but I think I certainly do. I'm just gonna put all of it in there because it's almost gone. I love soy sauce. And then it also calls for a fourth of a cup of ketchup. Woo! And I'm just going to finish this too. I also got some teriyaki sauce out because I thought that might be good, but I didn't know if I'd have enough, but I think I have enough, so I'm not going to worry about it. And then I'm going to put a little bit of garlic in. It calls for 2 cloves, so I'm using my minced garlic that I enjoy, and I'm just going to put a little bit in there. So this is just one of these. Woo-wee. And then it also calls for some onion, and it says a half a cup of diced onion. I just have some onion that I've kept in the freezer, and I'm just going to put some of that in. And it also calls for some crushed red pepper flakes that I'm going to skip, some cornstarch and sesame seeds. And you add that afterward. So I don't know if I'm going to use that or not. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so that's all that we do for now. And then we let this cook on low for 3 or 4 hours, or an hour and a half on high. So I really don't need this to cook quite yet, but I will put my lid on and I will have it ready for when I want to start it, and then I will show you what it looks like. And if I do the cornstarchy thing, I'll see how it looks. I don't know if I'm going to do that or not, but I will bring you back so you can see it. Thanks, guys. Okay, so it is done, and it smells really good in here. So this is what it looks like. Huh, it doesn't look like much really, does it? Let me get a spoon or something. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I think I need to shred this up, and maybe I do need to add some cornstarch to that and make it just a little bit thicker. I see what they were doing now, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I have my chicken here, and I'm going to add some cornstarch to the juice, I guess. Ugh. I was trying to prevent that. I don't know if you guys saw it or not, but the cornstarch went everywhere. Just from the lid. Okay, I added about, I'm gonna say, a tablespoon of cornstarch. And I'm just whisking, letting it get a little bit thicker, hopefully. And maybe another little bit of cornstarch. I have rice that I just heated up in the microwave. And Alex has to go to work, so I'm getting his together for him. I want to grab a paper plate. There's rice in the microwave. So I'm just shredding up this chicken a little bit. He has to go on to work, so I'm trying to hurry a little. You're welcome.
Is this for you?
Yes.
No, just take it with
Okay.
you. Eat it while we deliver. Because I see all that good pizza and I want to eat it.
I bet. You want to put some rice on your plate, however much you want. Hot. Okay, so I'm just going to add this back into the stuff. Stir it up. It looks really good. And this is what it looks like. I think there might be a plastic fork in that drawer right there.
Is it good?
Yeah. You want to try it? Tell everybody how it is. It's gonna be hot, but
Wait, it's going to burn my tongue?
oh, probably not. But
That's good.
is it good?
Mm-hmm. What is it?
It is honey chicken.
Mm-hmm.
Yay! He likes it. He likes it. He likes it. You're welcome, baby. So that's for dinner at our house. Bye, guys.